Hello everyone and welcome back to The Top Vloggers. As always, I am your host, High and Mighty Joe, hanging out with...
your co-host, the lovely Cat.
And we have another vlog for you today. Lovely Cat, what do we have for them today? Ramune Soda. I'm not sure if you guys can get a good look at that. You guys may remember that we did a soft candy chew. They were cola and Ramune Soda from Japan. This is the original flavor of drink. I'm not sure exactly how to open this. I guess I'll figure it out. But yeah, this is the Ramune Soda. Lovely Cat over here is going to get them open. Apparently it's not that easy. This is the original flavor. They're carbonated soft drinks, 6.76 fluid ounces, which is 200 milliliters. I did not see any kind of caffeine in either one of these. So I believe that there will be no caffeine involved because they don't have caffeine listed as one of the ingredients. So yeah, the Chimera Drink Company, if you'd like to go and get some of these, you can buy them online at www.chimera/drink.net. And these are all the way from Japan. But we have a regular and a strawberry. So we're definitely going to try those. And then this is what the strawberry looks like. And I believe we also have some snacks for them as well.
Yes, we do.
And what kind of snacks do we have, my lovely Cat?
Original.
And there's the original, which we'll try here in just a second.
We have some lovely seaweed. And
we have some sea salt seaweed snacks from Japan. And we also have some wasabi seaweed snacks from Japan. So let's go ahead and get into the snacks real quick. See if we can take a little bit of this. I'm gonna go ahead and open the wasabi. Oh, and they are big pieces. So I'm not sure if you guys can see how big that is, but it's a fairly big piece. Just gonna split that in half. Give half to the lovely Cat. Doesn't really have a smell. Take a taste. Not bad. Not bad at all.
you can definitely taste the wasabi.
Yep, you can definitely taste the wasabi. Definitely has kind of a slight kick to it. But definitely very good. I enjoyed it. I would definitely buy it again.
It is very tasty.
And then this is the sea salt. And they look pretty much exactly the same.
Not much, no smell.
Yeah, no smell as well to this one apparently. I'm gonna try this one. Here goes. Can definitely taste the sea salt, but it's a light flavor. Very light flavor. I definitely like the wasabi ones better myself.
I was gonna say, yeah, the sea salt have a good flavor, but it's very light.
Yeah. And now we're gonna try the Ramune regular soda. Here goes. No, I like that. That is really good. That is definitely something that I would definitely go out and get again. That's definitely really, really good.
It is.
And for not having any kind of
flavoring in it, it has some.
It's a carbonated drink, but to have no caffeine or anything, that is delicious. I would definitely get that again for sure. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to try the strawberry flavor and see how that tastes. Strawberry going down. The strawberry, you can definitely taste that strawberry flavoring. And it's good. But I think I would, my personal preference, I think I would rather have the original. Which is the same kind of soft chews candy that we tried. What do you think?
The strawberry does have a good strawberry flavor, but it's a bit sweet.
See, I didn't necessarily think it was that sweet, but it definitely.
Personally, for me, it's a bit sweet.
You definitely got that strawberry taste, though. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have a lot of videos coming up for you. Some of them are out of order. I do apologize for that. We have a lot of videos coming up, but definitely a good experience here with the Japanese drinks and snacks. Like I said, we had done a previous vlog where we done a bunch of different Japanese snacks. You can check that out on our channel as well. And it was a very beautiful beautiful vlog. There is the Rockefeller down there, snorting as always. So, excuse me. That's how good it was. But yes, I did enjoy it, and like I said, I definitely would say that the original Ramune and the wasabi seaweed snacks were definitely a hit. I will be finishing these off, and we will see you next time with another great vlog for each and every single one of you. So, until then, top vloggers,